Camping in the mountainous areas of Pakistan can be an incredible adventure. Plan carefully, here are some tips to ensure a safe and enjoyable camping trip. 1. Research and choose the right location, the weather, terrain, and any necessary permits. Choose a family-friendly camping spot with easy access to amenities like water sources, toilets, and emergency services if needed. 2. Proper gear and equipment. Invest in quality camping gear, including a spacious and weatherproof tent. Ensure you have warm sleeping bags and pads to stay comfortable during cold mountain nights. Pack suitable clothing for the weather. Don't forget to bring layers for temperature fluctuations. High quality hiking boots with good ankle support are essential for exploring the mountains. Bring a first aid kit and any necessary medications for your family. 3. Safety first. Make a checklist of essential safety items such as a map, compass, GPS device, and a fully charged cell phone. Share your itinerary and expected return time with a trusted family. Familiarize yourself with the local emergency contact numbers and the nearest medical facilities. 4. Food and water. Plan your meals and snacks in advance, considering your child's preferences. Carry lightweight and nutritious food options, as well as a reliable camp stove for cooking. Ensure access to clean drinking water, either by packing enough or by purifying natural water sources. 5. Campfire safety. Check local regulations regarding campfires. Open fires might not be allowed in certain areas. If fires are permitted, use a designated fire ring or a camp stove to reduce the risk of wildfires. Teach your child fire safety rules and ensure they understand the dangers of playing with fire. 6. Leave no trace. Practice leave no trace principles by packing out all trash, disposing of waste properly, and avoiding damage to the natural environment. Respect nature and the local culture. 7. Child-focused preparations. Ensure your child has the right clothing and gear, such as a well-fitting backpack and comfortable hiking shoes. Bring items to keep your child entertained, like books, games, and nature guides. Teach your child about wildlife safety and how to identify potentially dangerous plants and animals. Acclimate to altitude if you're camping at high altitudes. Spend a day or two at a lower altitude to help your family acclimate to the thinner air. 9. Emergency response. Know the signs of altitude sickness and be prepared to descend to low altitudes if anyone in your group experiences symptoms. Be aware of other potential mountain-related risks. 10. Enjoy nature. Take time to enjoy the natural beauty and serenity of the mountains. Encourage your child to observe wildlife, stargaze, and appreciate the outdoors. Camping in the mountains of Pakistan can provide unforgettable experiences for your family. Proper preparation, safety measures, and respect for the environment are key to a successful and enjoyable trip.